So I'll show you today's quick 5 minutes. I'll just show you how to design this layout quickly. Quick way to design this layout. Easiest way. Yeah, so basically we have our nav bar. You can add whatever you want there. We have our left content, our right content, and also a footer at the bottom there. So this is just for beginners. A quick one for the beginners, just 5 minutes. Awesome. So we have this blank um, HTML, this index HTML page. Let me just show you there. But, so we have the blank HTML page. I'm just going to show you a quick way, just doing quick layout. All right. So we're going to just do a quick layout. So we're going to have a nav bar. We're going to have two sections. All right. Two sections. And we're going to add a footer. Right, so I'm just going to show you how to lay them out using float. So basically what you're going to have is going to have a nav bar. We're going to have one section on the left, another section on the right, and a footer at the bottom. So it's just a basic layout. So I'll just do my styling here. So the first thing we're going to have with the nav is we'll just give it a width of 100% like that. Give it a padding of, let's say, 20 pixels. Like that, and just to make sure that we can see it, let's say that put the text in there for our nav like that, right? Let's say right now we can't see it, so we'll just give it a background color of, yeah, India red. Right, so we have it like that. We just change the color to white, right? And what else? Yeah, padding of 20 pixels. Sorry, it's under my. Okay, so that's what we have. So that would be like our nav bar. Why is it doing that? So you can just inspect to see where is the, right. I think the body itself, it's giving a margin. So we just say there, baby. Body margin, say 0. Padding also 0. See that can cool stuff. So there we go, we have our nav bar here. The next item is the sections. So I'll just give the section element its own styling, and then after that, okay, so let's just give them width of 100, right? And yeah, I think that's all we'll give them. And let's just say height of 500 pixels, right? So then this guy here, let's give him a class of section left, right? And the next section to go to the right. So we're gonna give it a section of right like that, right? Makes sense? Yes, it does. Alright, so the left guy, this is where the float comes in. We're just gonna float him left, right? Left. Ne. And then the other guy will just float him right like that. But just to ensure that we can see them properly, we just add a P and say left content. And this guy here, let's say right content, right, like that. If we come here, you can see you see them like that, because I gave them a width of 100%. That's why they're like that. That's why they are on top of each other like that. In fact, you know what, let's leave them like that, and give them background color. So you can background color, let's see, khaki. Khaki is a color, and background color of light green. Okay, light sea green. All right, so you can see that they are just stacking on top of each other like that, but what we want is for them to be next to each other. Reason being is that their width is at 100% each, which is something that we don't want. So we'll just reduce that. Let's say I want this guy to be 70% of the screen, and want this guy to be 28%. Sorry, width to be 28% of the screen like that. Now as soon as we refresh, you can see they come next to each other like that, as you can see. All right, so the next item we're gonna do is the footer. Let's just say color there white. All right, so the footer, what you want, the footer, let's just take, let's say, footer like that. The footer, want the color to be 100 white as well. I want the width to be 100%, so it will take up the full screen. And what else do we want? We want the background color to be, just pick a nice color, maroon. No. So what color do we have here? I like this medium, whatever. Yes. Right. Whoa. Why is it misbehaving like that? All right. So there is the footer there, but you can see how it's misbehaving. It's messing around with the other components. We don't want that, and that is because of the float. Basically, the float is what's causing the chaos that we are seeing there. All right, so how do we get rid of that? We just come here and say floats, not float, sorry, my bad. Now we say clear and select both like that, and you can see that the footer is taking its rightful place at the footer like that. So let's just give it a padding of 20 pixels like that, and then boom, there it is. So there is our section. We have the nav, we have the left contents there, we have the right content, and now we have our footer there. Hope this was helpful. Thank you very much.